Oh fuck, watch it, watch it, watch it. It's hitting the hill.
It's over us. Oh, that was right
Hey,
below
that
us,
was
son of
close.
a bitch.
Roger, we have fire coming from the northwest and the west.
Here it goes! Oh, coming in!
Well, last night we had another adventure. Got shot at from that hill over there. And we returned fire. Gunfight ended. And today we went out to go check out the impacts of the rockets and the bullets.
What the hell was that? It was above us.
Hey, are there any casualties? Touch!
Coming!
Fuck me!
Reloading!
Well, that was another fresh one. Or that's a fresh one. We're gonna go look at some more.
What was it?
Looks like an RPG.
Hey! Tajimon!
What the fuck are they yelling at? Do we have casualties?
Shit! Okay, I see them in the hills.
Right.
Are they close? Are they in the village?
Yeah.
In the village to the left.
Yeah.
All right.
Do we have any status on close air support?
Yeah, he's out there a bit. Two. Oh shit!
Me.
Incoming! Look out! Whoa, shit! Whoa, down! Damn, that was close. Down!
Hey, tell you what.
Oh, damn! What the? Hey, coming in.
Yeah, can you? Wow. It's actually a pretty good fight we got going on here.